Hey guys, I'm just gonna go over classwork really fast in case you need help, and to give you just a little bit of reminders and stuff from yesterday. So today you are practicing what you learned yesterday. So yesterday we learned what expressions were. They're math problems essentially without equal signs. We discussed variables, coefficients, and constants. So if we look here just at these expressions on this first one, 8h plus 3. 8 is your coefficient, h is your variable, and then 3 is your constant because that 3 is standing alone. 8 is with the variable, therefore it is the coefficient, and then the variable itself is that letter that represents an unknown number. So today you have these classwork problems. Just a reminder, when you open your assignment, it will look like this. Obviously, that is very small and you can't read that. So click this zoom in button a few times, and now your problems are plenty big, okay? So you are combining like terms. And what that means is we are going to put together the terms that can go together. And if they can't, then we're going to leave them separated. So here, the first thing, we're going to do a text box. I'm going to make it pink, just goes. All right, so we have 5h plus 2 plus 2h minus 10. The first thing that you're going to want to do is rewrite it all as addition. That is so you can very easily add things together because combine like terms means to add. So the first thing I'm going to do is type it out as addition problem. So 5ah plus 2 plus 2ah plus negative 10. Because remember, subtracting a positive is the same thing as adding a negative. So now I can combine like terms. Here our variables are h's, so we can add those h's together. So 5h plus 2h equals 7h. Again, h is a number, we just don't know what it is. And then you can add together your constants. So your constants here are 2 plus negative 10. 2 plus negative 10 is negative 8. So we have 7h plus negative 8. And we can look up here. You just have, I gave you the answer choices. There are a lot of them, but that way you can make sure that you are getting them right. If you would like to check. Some people said that part was confusing them yesterday, or whenever my in-person kids did it. So if that's the case, then don't look at the top. It's just a way to check your answers, okay? So again, 5h plus 2h is 7h, and then 2 plus negative 10 is negative 8. I'll do one more with you. So you can either draw a new text box or copy and paste, doesn't matter. But we have these this expression. The first thing we're going to do again is rewrite it as addition. So negative 9h plus 3 plus h plus negative 1. And then again combine them like terms. So we're going to combine our h's together. So negative 9h plus positive 1h. That's going to be negative 8h. And then 3 plus negative 1. If you think about it, 3 minus 1 is the same thing. That's going to be 2. So negative 8h plus 2. You cannot combine negative 8h plus 2 because they are not like terms. Since the second, that's a constant, it doesn't have a variable there, you cannot combine them together. Okay, that's what you're doing on the rest of these. If you need more help, look at your video again from yesterday. Rewatch this a few times, and then if you're still needing help, let me know. I'll see you later, and have a good day.